Hey guys, so Xiaomi is all set to unveil its next innovation, the one against Galaxy S21 and the OnePlus 9 series, the best alternative if you wanna switch from Apple or Samsung, the Xiaomi Mi 11. Xiaomi is announcing the Mi 11 in a few days around December 20th, and yeah, we have seen tons of leaks, we got most of the specifications, and this right here is your first live look to the Xiaomi Mi 11. The images come courtesy of Russian news site, and you can see the design looks way different than what we saw so far in any Xiaomi flagship phone. It has this squarish circular camera design, got two-tone finish inside. This black color finish for two main cameras which are likely main 108 megapixel and a super wide angle. The telephoto lens on the right side with flash to the bottom. This whole module is so wide, like it's taking more than half space. Yeah, also what I can see is the bump is not as huge as what we saw there in the Xiaomi Mi 10, so that's a great news. Second thing to note is that gradient frosted glass finish looks like Oppo Reno. Yeah, I hope there are more color options, but this one also looks nice. It's also coming in black color with same black color module as seen in this image, so this one also is great. Now the specifications of standard Mi 11 are way better than the specifications Samsung is giving in the S21 or S21 Plus. The Xiaomi Mi 11 is coming with 1440p 120Hz display with MEMC support and some additional features for this smooth display. The front design has curved edges which I like, and it looks more premium, and there is a tiny punch hole on top left corner. Some main specifications are Snapdragon 888 5G CPU, which in itself is main highlighting feature, super fast wired and wireless charging with charger inside the box, a 4780 mAh battery. We just saw the back has 108 megapixel camera, which I hope is better than the one used in the Xiaomi Mi 10. In terms of software, it will run MIUI 12.5, which is coming with some small changes in the interface. The Pro variant is gonna look quite different from front and back, a quad curved display and periscope lens with 50 megapixel camera. Yeah, we are soon getting some live images for the same, so make sure to subscribe, like this video, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.